Independent says the Governor of the Bank of England will appeal to the Chancellor to get permission.
Are you doing the Sudoku now?
More money inside the economy. The Mail claims Abu Bakr and terror suspects could get huge compensation payments. Belmarsh prison. Hello, welcome to Sky Sports News. I'm Sam Massapeton. Here are the breakfast headlines. Manchester United manager Sir Alex Ferguson has ruled Chelsea out of the Premier League title race after his side's 3-0 win over Fulham.
What are you doing?
Side. The victory also put United 5 clear of Liverpool at the top of the table. Paul Scholes, Dimitar Berbatov and Wayne Rooney got the goals. Aston Villa may have injury doubts over James Milner and Emil Heskey ahead of Saturday's crucial game against Chelsea. Even playing in last night's 1-1 draw with CSK.
What are you doing, Oliver?
Speaking after the match, Martin said he was hopeful both will be ready to face Chelsea. In the Championship, Derby manager Nigel Clark says their academy chief David Lowe must take the credit for the form of Chris Thomas playing in a role just off the striker for Scotland.
Another one.
Derby's 4-1 win over Blackpool. It was Lowe who's
What would you like for lunch today?
No, Oliver, tomorrow. It's
a
living dinner.
What would you like for lunch, Daisy?
Chocolate factory!